Hey guys, welcome back to another video of SJ Vlogs. Hope you all are doing well. Today I have planned to install an additional 4 GB of RAM for my laptop. So stay tuned till the end of the video and you can learn how to fix the RAM by yourself. So let's get started by going into the settings. As you can see that this laptop has 4 GB of RAM installed. Let's begin installing the new RAM in the laptop. Let's start by removing this battery now. I have already removed all the screws from the back panel. Remove the back panel now. This is a new 4 GB RAM that I have purchased for 1900 rupees. This is a DDR3 RAM. So let's install it. So after removing this back panel, you can find the RAM slot over here. Make sure this slit fits into the slot properly. Now press the RAM down. So we are done installing the RAM now. Let's turn on the laptop. Let's check the settings and see whether the RAM is functioning properly. As you can see that the RAM is functioning properly now. This is how easy it is to install a RAM. And now that you have learned how to install the RAM, do not forget to like, share and subscribe this channel if you have found this video useful, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.